A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when the cosmos blesses, the quiet power of morning sunlight. Ladies and gentlemen, the universe is not distant from life. It flows through it. Every atom, every pulse, every rhythm is shaped by an exchange of energy governed by space, time, and an intelligence far beyond human measurement. Within this vast orchestration, the sun stands as a central transmitter, delivering order to chaos, rhythm to randomness, and life to matter. Morning sunlight is among the most precise expressions of this cosmic blessing, silent, gentle, and profoundly empowering. The solar system functions as a living system within the universe, continuously receiving and redistributing energy. The sun does not merely shine, it regulates electromagnetic fields, gravitational balance, and energy cycles that sustain life on planet Earth, a rare and privileged habitat in the known universe. Human life is deeply woven into this design. Every cell operates through electrical signals. Every biological process depends on energy conversion. In this sense, the human system carries an inner sun, a metabolic and neurological center that generates vitality, clarity, and resilience. This inner sun does not ignite on its own. It responds to external signals, especially natural light. Modern science confirms that morning sunlight activates retinal pathways that reset the circadian clock, optimize hormonal release, stabilize neural chemistry, and sharpen cognitive readiness. These signals reach deep brain structures long before conscious thought arises. What ancient wisdom intuited, science now measures. Light is not just seen, it is absorbed, translated, and lived. Across civilizations, this understanding gave rise to reverence for the sun, not as symbolism but as recognition of its sustaining intelligence. Ancient traditions aligned daily life, learning, and inner discipline with solar rhythms because harmony was seen as the foundation of strength. Today, research continues to uncover how photons, electromagnetic resonance, and even quantum level interactions influence cellular communication. Much remains unexplored, yet one truth is clear. Morning sunlight carries a unique biological and neurological signature that no artificial substitute can replicate. What's the way forward for modern minds, especially the young? Following understanding offers a powerful logic-based insight. The brain learns best when it is aligned with natural timing. Morning sunlight acts as a biological calibration signal. Even brief exposure, standing near natural light, walking outdoors, or allowing sunlight to reach the eyes indirectly trains the nervous system to operate efficiently. This alignment enhances focus, emotional balance, learning speed, and mental endurance. No belief system is required, only participation. When approached with awareness, morning sunlight becomes a silent mentor, teaching the body when to rise, the mind when to focus, and the system when to rest. This is not ritual, it is biological intelligence meeting cosmic order. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, absorbing morning sunlight is not an act of discipline. It is an act of alignment. When the outer sun meets the inner sun, life moves with clarity rather than effort. In a world overwhelmed by stimulation and speed, this quiet communion restores balance at its source. Lord Krishna captures this eternal truth in the revered Bhagavad Gita, directly invoking the sun itself. Among the radiant forces, I am the sun. The message is subtle yet profound. Where light brings order, consciousness awakens. Where alignment exists, strength flows naturally. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.